Turn it up. Turn it up.
The lucky stars to be living here today. It's the land for freedom. Mom. And I'm proud to be American. The Mexicans can't sing this song with us. No, I think it will forget the man who died. There's Mexicans here, and it's not even their holiday, so I don't understand. Sorry if you're Mexican and you watch this video. They can't sing this song, can they? This land. They can say that for letting them cross the border. Those are pretty. Once again, sorry for Mexican. To the hills of Tennessee. From sea to shining sea, down to Houston, down here to Alright, come on. Be an American, or at least I know I'm free. And I can't believe the man who died, who gave that right to me. That's so pretty. Ew. Oh, that was so pretty. This tastes like straight up eggs. It tastes like what? I'm proud to be an American, or at least I know I'm free. Don't forget the man who died, who gave that right to me. Have you understood? That's pretty. Ah! Oh, here it is. Whoa! Whoa! Ski! Can you see me? No. Oh, stop! There's more! I doubt they'll have the fire. Woo! That's so pretty.